Is there Amazon FBA training near me? Yes, there are Amazon FBA training programs available near you, especially if you're based in major cities. These courses are designed to help you understand the full process of selling on Amazon, from setting up your seller account and researching products to managing inventory, logistics, and advertising. Both in-person and online options are available, so you can choose what fits your schedule best. Local training centers often include practical sessions where you learn to use tools for product research, profit tracking, and listing optimization. Some institutes even provide mentorship and live case studies so participants can practice real Amazon FBA strategies. The goal is to equip you with hands-on experience to confidently run a profitable online business. Many trainees also use Helium 10 alongside their FBA training to take their learning to the next level. Helium 10 helps you analyze product trends, find profitable niches, and optimize listings based on real-time market data. Combining professional training with Helium 10 gives you everything you need to launch and grow your FBA business successfully. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.